in collaboration with AGES. Rather, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University is unique of its kind. To make use of the COVID time very effectively, we have organized many webinars. We have attended to many webinars. We conducted the online classes. And another important thing is we have conducted the GATE online classes, GPAT online classes. And tomorrow we are planning for international webinar in collaboration with Lead India Foundation. And I invite all the participants to attend the event. And you can see the details which are available in the JNTU Anantapur web portal. All the participants may please register for the same and attend for the international webinar.
The live web.
And coming to this particular event, data science, which is very important nowadays. Today, artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, Internet of Things, and many other advanced subjects are the ones which are to be considered for the development of this particular country. And if I consider the data science, it is a unique word which is mentioned by Dimit Malhotra and many others. It is having many topics within the data science, like data compression, outlier identification, data watermarking, data matching, data retrieval, and many other topics are there within the data science. As a person who has worked in the area of digital image processing, and basically, though I am basically an electronics and communication engineer, and did my PhD from the same department, but still, I know the importance of the mathematics. And without the mathematics, there is no engineering, there is no advanced subject. So the mathematics is a very important tool or a very important aspect that is to be considered for the development of any subject. Thereby, I request all the experts and participants to give equal emphasis to the mathematics and statistics along with the data science. And today, Internet of Things is upcoming. When the Internet of Things is upcoming subject, actually the data is also becoming abundant. And when the data is becoming abundant, the classification needs to take place, or the clustering needs to take place. So naturally, the data science cannot be considered as some one topic. It is having a number of topics. And including, as I was telling you, the data classification is a very important aspect. And the outlier, insignificant data, which is available in the data, that should be considered insignificant and that should be considered an outlier. And then the data matching has to take place. So thereby, I am very happy the data science is a one important subject, and we have introduced that course as a part of our curriculum in our undergraduate program. The AICTI also has come out with a model for the computer science and engineering with emphasis in data science, computer science and engineering with emphasis in artificial intelligence, computer science and engineering with emphasis in machine learning. Like that, the AICTI has also come out with an idea of giving importance to different subjects while without losing the importance on the basic subjects. Thereby, this is a wonderful program which Professor Devkumar is organizing. And my dear friends, today we are planning an important course. We have already started MBA in FinTech, Financial Technology, in collaboration with Oracle Corporation, wherein the Board of Studies includes many IIM professors. And also, we are planning now, this time, to start a business data analytics in MBA program, MBA in business data analytics. Thereby, we are strengthening the management department, and it is no more a management department, it is a school of management studies. And a very active person, and who is involved, and who is very interested to learn the subject and teach the subject. And Professor Devkumar is the director of that, and under his leadership, AES has come forward to organize program. I heartfully welcome on behalf of Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University to be with us to organize this event and also for further development in the university system. Today, exclusively the private model or exclusively the public model, probably they may not succeed that much, but the public-private partnership is very, very important. Thereby, Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, which is being a public organization, the university is a state university, but very fast developing university, we heartfully welcome AGS to be with us, collaborate with us to start the new programs. If necessary, we will take the approval from the government authorities also, start the new programs in the MBA or in the MTech programs. Already, we started MTech in Internet of Things in collaboration with Ftronics company. Ftronics company is one company which is having 80% of the IoT projects with Ftronics Vijayawada. And Dr. Ramakrishna Garu is heading that organization. Like that, AGIS also is invited to be with us to start a collaborative MTech program or MBA program on various areas like artificial intelligence or in the area of data science or in the area of machine intelligence, along with our JNTU experts, and to plan to succeed the academics in this particular society. Please do remember, knowledge is very, very important, and knowledge alone is not sufficient, but skill sets are also equally important. And today, the research fields are strengthened, and not only the research, the tools are also equally important. When I say about the, let us say, when I was starting my PhD, I thought of working in the area of digital image processing. I'm telling my own experiences. But when I know only about the digital image processing, it is not sufficient. I should have a clear awareness of the mathematical tools, statistical tools, artificial neural networks, support vector machines, deep learning, and many other tools. If you consider, they are also equally important. Wavelets, contourlets, curvelets, and they are also equally important. And the movements, they are also equally important. So it is not only the domain in which we work, the tools are also equally important. So I hope, if not possible, I request the AGIS group of people to introduce what are the various tools that are available to work in the data science. It is not only the data science subject, the tools are also equally important. So the tools also may be introduced, like so that the participants will be having an awareness about what tools that are available. When I was delivering the lectures, just though I am the vice chancellor, I am interested in the teaching. I continue to teach, and recently I have delivered the lecture in the area of digital image processing, wherein not only the subjects about the digital image processing, what are the various topics, I introduced all the tools. So the tools will also be having a clear awareness about the tools. The participants will be having the awareness. So that is what is required. So I heartfully congratulate Dev Kumar to organize this program, and also I heartfully congratulate AGIS to come out with the idea of planning and collaborating with Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Anantapur, to start some new PG programs. And please do remember, we are serving the society. And today, the doctors are serving the society. Police people are serving the society. The nurses are serving the society. And teachers also should come forward to serve the society, to build a knowledge in the society. And that alone can help the society to come up. And please do remember, the development of the nation depends upon the quality of the citizens. And the quality of the citizens depends upon the quality of the education. And the quality of the education depends upon the quality of the teachers. And the quality of the teachers depends upon the quality of the teacher education. Thereby, the you people, the participants, maybe the mostly the faculty members, or some of them, they may be students. Please do remember, teacher plays very important role, and the teacher education also plays very important role. We should be eternal in learning things. Please do remember, any profession may be having a retirement, but the teaching profession is not having a retirement. We should continue to be a teacher, even after 60 years or 70 years. We can learn the things, disseminate the things, knowledge acquisition, knowledge dissemination, knowledge preservation, knowledge creation, knowledge application, knowledge evaluation. If we consider these factors to be considered, that we should be experts in acquiring the knowledge and all other aspects. And also skill sets are also equally important. And above all, the human values, which are very, very important. So recently, in the leadership of All India Council for Technical Education, we have started a Center for Human Values in Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Anantapur, for which, again, Professor Dev Kumar is the coordinator. That is, he is not only heading the School of Management Studies, he is also the coordinator for Center for Human Values. So I hope Dev Kumar, along with his team members, and like that, many directors, high quality people are there in Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University. Even I am also continuously updating my knowledge Though I am not only busy with my administration, I am learning things, I am trying to disseminate the knowledge, I am trying to acquire the skills, I am trying to involve in the university affairs and see that the university develops in all fronts. I am very much thankful to Professor Dev Kumar and the group of people from the AS, in particular Mr. Bhupesh, who has introduced me now. And I'm very happy and thankful to you all for giving me the opportunity. I wish the participants may please do remember always, this kind of workshops gives only an exposure, but not expertise. And expertise you can derive only by regularly practicing what is required. I have learned many examples from my own students, including myself. I have gotten exposure to many topics and expertise I got it by myself. I remember the day when I attended to the one workshop, the area of artificial neural networks in Anna University, which was held by Professor Ganapati. And there when I attended, I learned about artificial neural networks. What are the various networks that are available, like perceptron, multi-layer perceptron, half-wheel network, adaptive resonance theory, Boltzmann machine cycle, like that. I learned the things, but after coming back, I implemented by the time we don't have a MATLAB. We implemented by using a C programming language, all algorithms for different applications. We succeeded to learn about the MATLAB. We succeeded to learn about the artificial neural networks. Then we learned about the support vector machine. Now the deep learning concepts have come. Now we are thinking about, again, how to learn the deep learning concepts. That is what we are doing. At the age of 60 years or 58 years, I'm thinking of learning something. And similarly, even in the statistics, I do not know anything about the statistics, but I learned about what is non-parametric statistics, how they can be applied for the population statistics, how they can be applied for the stereo correspondence, that is to obtain the computer vision area. So thereby, learning and practicing both are equally important. Exposure and expertise both are very important. Skills are important. Knowledge is important. Above all, values are more important. I heartfully thank AS and Dev Kumar and his team for giving me the opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful thoughts and a motivation to start up this event. Now, I'll request Professor M.S. Devkumar, Dr. Vijay Lakshmi, and Dr. Zakir Hussain to introduce the honorable speakers accordingly.
Yeah, good morning. I'm Professor Devakumar, Director, School of Management, JNTS School of Management, Anantapur. I am very fortunate to introduce our keynote speaker, Mr. Bhupesh Daheria. So Bhupesh Daheria is a founder of Uni Campus, and he's CEO of Aegis School of Data Science, Cybersecurity, and Blockchain. And he's a founder of Aegis Graham Bell Awards, and he's the initiator of great events, namely Data Science Congress and EduTech Congress. So Daheria is a senior entrepreneur, educator, and a prolific speaker with 24 years of experience in various sectors, namely telecom, innovation, skilling, data science, artificial intelligence, edutech, and so on. And with the support of Bharti Airtel in 2002, he founded Aegis with an intention of developing cross-functional leaders. So, and at the same time, he launched the first masters in data science with inputs of artificial intelligence and big data in association with IBM. And he's instrumental in starting the first PG course in India in cybersecurity, applied artificial intelligence, blockchain, and so on. And he's a great, he writes regularly to Economic Times, Education Times, Hindu, and magazine Entrepreneur, etc. And he's published several white papers on areas of cybersecurity, telecom, and data science, digital India, and so on. And he's an invited speaker for many corporates. And he's popularly, to quote a few, he was invited speaker for Government of Canada in various conferences. And he was with the conferences, Mahindra, IBM, and so on. we are fortunate to have Mr. Bhupesh Deria, who is a key person at the Aegis group. We are fortunate to welcome him, and thank you very much.
Dev Kumar,
Yes, sir.
there is a problem, please see. Your voice is not audible.
Just stop it, sir. Varalakshmi will start now.
Yeah, please continue.
Lakshmi, your mic is muted. You have to unmute your microphone. At bottom, just click on microphone and it will automatically be unmuted.
Yeah, hello.
Yes, we can hear you now.
Yeah, good morning to one and all. Respected VC of JNTUA, Professor Srinivas Kumar Garu, and AG School of Data Science. It's my privilege to invite today's one of the keynote speakers, Vinay Kulkarni Garu, Director at AG School of Data Science, and Professor at Indian Institute of Technology, Bombay, technologist, former Vice President, Innovation and Incubation, Geometric Limited. With current focus on consulting, capability building, and importing education in the areas of machine learning, data analytics, and big data technologies, and past experiences, including the technology bootstrapping and development, product management, and managing the international operations of the software development and businesses in the area of computer-aided design and manufacturing. So one of the key person who is handling many organization and guiding many organization, companies, institutions, and individuals to develop competencies and capabilities in following areas. So here we look out the four main key areas where Dr. Kulkarni Garu is guiding the individuals, companies, and many participants. Data analytics, which includes the statistical fundamentals, applications, and tools. And second one is machine learning, which includes the fundamentals, applications, and tools. And third one is big data, fundamentals, applications, architectures, and tools. So today we are very glad to hear you, sir. So this is a brief introduction and profile of Dr. Kulkarni Garu. So thank you one and all.
Yes, Zakir. Zakir Hussain.
Dr. Hussain, can you hear us? Hello, Dr. Hussain.
Very good morning to one and all. I, Dr. Zakir Hussain. I'm very glad to introduce Mr. Ritin Joshi, Head Corporate Alliance, Executive Education at Aegis School of Data Science, Senior Consultant and Advisor Data Science, Artificial. Over 10 years of experience working with the across areas including data science, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, exponential technologies, cloud computing. Also bridges the gap between demand and supply of the exponential technologies and helps the organization, enterprises, institutions to grow, who are the transforming themselves as a data-driven organization. His key area of competencies as data science, cybersecurity, cloud consultant. We are very glad to have you as a resource person, Mr. Ritin Joshi, sir. And we are very happy to welcome you all behalf of School of Management Studies, JNTU Anantapuram. And we very glad to have our beloved Vice Chancellor, Professor Srinivas Kumar, sir, and Director of School of Management Studies, Professor Dev Kumar, sir, and AJ School people. Thank you so much.
Over to you, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much, Honorable Vice Chancellor Srinivasa Kumar, for giving such a wonderful opening note and setting up the context. And for all these years, I have been emphasizing this point of mathematics, because now these days it has become a fashion that people think that data science is all about learning Python and learning some syntax in machine learning. And I'm really glad, sir, that you brought up this point at home, and you have like over 3 decades of experience in terms of doing research in signal processing, image processing, and I'm not deep into that, but I studied briefly during my engineering in electronics and telecommunication. That's one of the very hard area. And in fact, data science has borrowed a lot of techniques of image processing and signal processing, and it's an interdisciplinary field rather than just learning Python. And you have brought this point home, and thank you so much. Thank you so much, Professor Dev Kumar, Professor Jakir, Professor Varalakshmi, for organizing this event.